وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. So, we were there in Babul Awl, and we mentioned there that there are 3 tasheeh of masala which will go up. Number 1, the 6. Number 2, yes, the 12, and number 3,
24.
The 24. So 6 will go up to 7, 8, 9, 10. And 12 will go to 13, 15, and 17. وتعول الستة وتعول الستة إلى العشرة, not إلى عشرة, إلى العشرة وترا وشفعا. وترا وشفعا, and after 6, whatever the numbers are coming up to 10, so the whole will take place to the even and to the odd number both. So 6 will go to 7, to 8, to 9, and to 10. And the 12, it will go up to 17. Vitran la shaf'an. Vitran la shaf'an. It will go to the odd number, not to the even number. So 12 will go to 13, to 15, and to 17. And as far as the case of 24 is concerned, so it has only one howl according to Jumhur. And that is to 27. It will go to 27. Ya Allah. Bismillah. Zayd died, and he left behind him his wife, two daughters, one father, and one mother. The dead Zayd has kids, the two daughters. Now, how much will go to the wife?
1/8.
1/8 or 1/8. Daughters, when they are more than 1,
2/3.
2/3. Father and mother, when the dead has kids, so both of them will take 1/6. Father will take 1/6, and mother will take
1/6.
1/6. So now the common denominator will be 24. You know the process?
Yes.
You don't?
Yes.
Common denominator is 24. The wife will take
3.
1/8, which is
3.
The two daughters will take 2/3, which is
16.
Father will take 1/6.
It's 4.
It is 4. And the mother will take 1/6, which is 4.
27.
Now in science of inheritance or law of inheritance, the makhraj or the tasheeh is called makhraj, and is called also tasheeh. So the makhraj is 24. The common denominator is 24. But when every hair took its own share, so the number increased. 3, 16, 19. 19 plus 4.
23.
Huh?
23.
23 plus 4.
27.
So we say that. Owl. Got it? This is only 1 hour according to Jumhur. But Ibn Mas'ud Raziyallahu Ta'ala an, he says that sometime 24 goes to 31 also. Zayd died. He left his wife. His mother. 2 daughters. Two half sisters from mother side. And one what is that? Killer son. The son killed his father. The son killed his father. Now according to Jumhur, if a waris here will kill his muris, will kill his murid. Who is murid? From whose property he is taking a share. From whose property? He is taking a share. So according to Jumhur, all 4 schools of jurisprudence, he is deprived. He cannot take a single penny therefrom. Because he killed him. Because he killed him. So now, the thing is that he was killing him for that purpose. So Sharia says, Rasulullah said, Qatilul yaris. The killer does not take anything. Otherwise, all the sons will kill their father before time. How Sharia start this mess? Yeah. Once again say, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. What a man he was. He missed any important issue in human life?
No.
He was the perfect ever man. Got it?
Yes.
Now, Ibn Mas'ud says, Raziyallahu Ta'ala an, that the killer does not take anything, but it harm others. It harm others. These are not daughters. These 2 corrected. These are sisters. 2 sisters. Full sisters. Now, according to Jumhur, first of all, we will do it according to Jumhur. The deprived heir, he is considered like as he does not exist. So when we consider him, he does not exist. So the wife will take 1/4 of the property. Because there is no son or daughter of the deceased.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
So the wife will take
1/4.
1/4. And the mother will take 1/6 because of the sisters. And the 2 full sisters,
2/3.
they will take 2/3. And the 2 half sisters, they will take 1/3. And the killer's son, he does not exist according to Jumhur. He is just like a stranger. Got it?
Yes.
Because he killed his father. Or if a brother will kill his brother, yes, and that killed brother, not killer one, the killed brother does not have anybody else. Yes?
Yes.
And supposedly the whole property was going to this killer brother, but as he killed him, so he got deprived. He cannot take a single penny. Cannot take
a single penny.
A single penny or a single shop in Kandahar. How Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam controlled the situation? Dawjan, tell me. What a man he was. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So anyhow, here
12.
12, yes. Tarjan, you became a scholar now. So now the wife will take 1/4, that is
3.
The mother will take 1/6,
2.
2. The two full sister will take 2/3, 8. And the two half sister from mother side will take
1/3. 4.
How much?
4.
4. So it will go 17. That's according to Jumhur. But now, according to Ibn Masud radiallahu ta'ala an, the killer's son does not take anything. But he harmed the wife.
Yes.
He harms
The wife.
1/8. So when he harms the wife, so now she will not take 1/4.
1/8.
She will take
1/8.
1/8. So it will be like this. So 1/8 is 3.
Yes.
The mother will take
1/6. 4. 1/6.
Something is missing there.
It adds up.
So now, the mother will take
1/6.
1/6, which is
4.
4. And the two full sisters will take
2/3.
2/3,
16.
which is
16.
16. And
1/3.
how much?
8.
8.
It's 31.
How much?
31.
31.
Yes.
So this is according to Abdullah ibn Masud radiyallahu ta'ala an. He said that the killer's son, he does not take anything, but he harms the wife of the deceased. Maybe that is the killer's own mom or stepmother, but anyhow, she is the wife of the deceased. So that's why Ibn Masud says radiyallahu ta'ala an, that he is mahroom and deprived, but he harmed his mom or the wife of his father. Got it?
Sure.
Whose share went
From 1/4.
from
1/4 to 1/8.
1/4
to
to
1/8.
1/8. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.